was with me because I know He cared for me, I know He loves me, I know He won't forsake me.
Ang kidney ay parte ng ating katawan na sumasala sa ating mga kinakain at iniinom. Kaya naman malaking hirap kung ito ay mapipinsala. Ayon sa Department of Health, isang Pilipino kada oras ang namamatay dahil sa kidney failure. Halos 7,000 kaso nito ang nare-record kada taon. Isa na nga dito si Vanji Magbanwa, dating militar.
I was diagnosed to have bilateral renal parenchymal kidney disease and bilateral cortical cyst. Half of my eye became red. I experienced the hardening of my feet. It was so painful. I felt dizzy. I kept on vomiting. I was diagnosed to have that stage 5 kidney disease.
Pinayuhan si Vanji na mag-dialysis o mag-kidney transplant. Subalit inayawan niya ito dahil sa palagay ni Vanji ay di na niya makakayanan pa ang pagdadialysis.
I was in the center for 5 months and creatinine kept on increasing, and so with my BUN. I don't feel any comfort.
Patuloy ang kanyang paghina. Maging ang kanyang doktor halos sumuko na sa kondisyon ni Vanji.
I was so weak. I went to my doctor and he said, can't do anything for me anymore. 2 weeks, I cannot have my bowel movement. I can't urinate well. My appetite in eating was losing.
Sa kabila ng hirap, laging nasa tabi at umaalalay ang kanyang asawa. Minsan, aksidenteng napanood niya ang ating programang Be Alive sa TV.
I opened my TV and I saw the 3 of you there dancing, so happy, but sad to know that it was already ending. I said, why are they so happy and why me? I'm here suffering, Lord. Why? What is that? What is that all about? I wanted to know what's that. I waited for a week. I just saw on TV again. I just put on the TV and then, oh, it was the opening of what I saw. And everybody shouting, be alive, and dancing and dancing. So I said, oh, I should see this. I viewed the whole episode and it was Laminine.
Matapos mapanood ang Be Alive, nabuhayan ng loob at lumaki ang pag-asa ni Vanji, nagiginhawa ang pakiramdam niya.
Daddy, I saw in TV, Laminine. I think God is answering me.
Kahit hirap, pinili pumunta ni Vanji sa galeriya para bumili at makakuha ng Laminine.
I went with my husband to Galleria last March. Kainitan ng panahon. We went down the MRT without talking to each other. And when I went up, I said, here is the place I think I would be safe. Thank you, Lord, for bringing me here.
Di na nagdalawang isip pa, sinubukan ni Vanji ang Laminine at naging maganda ang resulta nito sa kanya.
I was given only 2 in the morning and 2 in the evening. I tried umihi. Nakaihi ako ng medyo okay. On the 4th day, imagine I expelled so much. Amoy imbornal na. For 2 days, continuous yun. And then, lumabas na yung pinaka-tsokolate ko. Amoy imbornal na ako. Amoy bilasan isda.
Sa patuloy na pag-inom ng Laminine, halos bumalik na muli sa maayos ang pakiramdam at kalusugan ni Vanji.
On the 3rd week, I felt good already. Laminine did work in my body.
Halos milagrong maituturing ang buhay na halos mawala na. Gumaling at sumigla pa. Sa tulong ng Panginoon at programang Be Alive, Laminine ay nakilala.
I walk fast, I eat fast, I talk fast. Every time we go around wherever, nahuhuli sila sa akin. Si Vanji ba yan? I said, you so multo, ano?
Mula sa halos pagdating ng kamatayan, napalitan ng masaya at masiglang buhay.
Mula nung kasama kita, yun ay pag-ibig na totoo na nagmula sa iyo at ang pag-ibig na galing sa Diyos. Kaya Inday, mahal ko sa
Very touching ang pagmamahalan nilang mag-asawa, no? In sickness and in health, they are facing their battles together. Imagine, Susan, Tita Vanji was able to find out about Laminine by watching our show.
Wow. Yes, nanood talaga siya.
Wow.
Tapos sabi niya, Dad, kailangan puntahan ko yung FRPI na yan. Kaya pumunta siya. Kaya naman, Thank you, Susan, at pinatawag mo ako para dito sa TV show natin. Tayo lang po ang may show na ganito. And thanks to Susan Barlett. Yes!
Kasama sa top 10 leading causes of death among Filipinos ang sakit sa bato. Ayon sa Department of Health noong 2003, the prevalence of chronic kidney disease CKD among adult Filipinos was 2.6% o 2.6 sa bawat 100 na Pilipino. Pero noong 2012, ito ay umakyat na sa 1 out of 10.
Grabe.